what you can call it as the index with the maximum, the state having the maximum cases. So then what I had to do, I had to say this is equal to the I. See what I am trying to do. See, once I get the what you can call that's a state total. So let me now comment this. This is not required now. Once I get the state total, how can I get the state total? Corona dashboard. Now I know the index. I will get it, and in that I want to get the first element, which is the total case. So once I get that, then I compare with this, and I want to find the index, right? So this is what will happen. The index I. So now I get the index. So suppose if once I get the index, then from the index identifying the state is different, easy. See, then the state having maximum number of cases. So what I can do, I know the index, now I know the list. So once I know the index, once I know the list, then it would be very easy. See, now I know this, I know the index, and from the index I can get that particular state. See, now let me minimize a bit and then run it. See, now I came to know that the state of Tamil Nadu is having the maximum cases. So now let me repeat again what I did. This case I want to get the index, because getting the index, through the index only I can know which state is having the maximum cases, right? I want to get the index of that state which is having the maximum count. How can I do it? First I have to loop through this. I have to loop through this using the range. Once I loop through using the range, I will get the indexes 0, 1, 2. Once I know the index, from that index I know from the list. With the index I can know it is a list of list, right? With that I can get the each and every state, and then in that I am getting the first element, that is the total, and then I compare. If this is greater than the maximum cases, then that becomes the maximum case, and also the index. I want to find the index, right? This becomes maximum till that particular point in time when I try to compare it. If next state becomes the highest case, then the maximum index will be changed accordingly. And after that, I'm going to print that. So I know the index, I know the list of list. From that, I can extract a specific list. So in this way, you can get the state having the maximum cases. So hope you understood this, and please practice this, or please write this program to find the minimum number of cases, or find the average number of cases, and also find the state having the minimum number of cases. So all these things you can do. So the one which I solved now is this one. So that is the program. Write a program to display records having the maximum cases, right? So keep on practicing and solve these assignments. See you in the next class.